welcome back to JaniqueJanee TV. I am Janique, if you did not know. If you're new to my channel, today I'm going to be doing an updated skincare routine. Being that when I went to Vegas, as you guys can see, it looks like a pimple, but it is a insect bite on in the middle of my in the middle of my eyebrow. Can you guys see? I have two. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a little facial, being that it's been a minute anyway and I need to get my skin right. So first we're gonna start by just adding a lot of moisture. I'm steaming my face and I'm just getting ready to go. So I'm going to start off with the first cleanser, and this is a foaming cleanser, which, oh my god, it feels like silk on your face. So I'm going to go ahead and rub that in a circular motion. Okay, now we're going in with the second cleanser, and this one is a gel cleanser. I'm going to take about 2 pumps, and I'm going to go ahead and put that directly on my face and make sure I really rub that in with the steam hitting my face too, because my skin is very oily, and this cleanser definitely helps my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that's all in there in a circular motion, especially right there where you guys see the insect bite. Oh yeah, and definitely under my eyes, because those are the problem spots. Okay, next I'm going to take my first hot towel and go ahead and apply it to my face. I'm going to make sure all that steam gets trapped inside, helping opening these pores. Oh my god, those towels feel so good. My skin is already looking better, as you can see. Yes, I know you guys, my eyelashes always need to be done.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care why I go, long as I get paid.
Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and take my skin scrubber and get all the whiteheads, the blackheads, any residue off my face, especially by my nose area. So that's what I'm doing now.
Off this way.
Okay, you guys, followed by everything I just did, the double cleansing, the skin scrubber, I'm going to go ahead and apply a toner to my face. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this 24K mask. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Watch when I'm done applying it. You guys are going to be like, oh my god. I got this mask on Amazon. I use it for myself and my clients, and we love it. It's so pretty. It looks like you got a real 24 karat K on your face. I'm applying it with my facial brush. Make sure you get your neck. Very important, ladies. Very important. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and put our 24 karat K under eye mask on, and we're gonna let it sit the whole time that we have our 24K facial mask on.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, going on shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind, soon as I get back, she can stray. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise, every other night, another movie get made.
Okay, you guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and remove the facial mask. Yes, I'm using just a regular face towel because, you know, I got stuff to do. So I want to make sure that I get all that product off. Look at my skin. It already looked better. Y'all don't see that? Y'all don't see that? Yes. Perfect. Glistening on you. Okay, you guys, so next I'm just going to take two sponges, facial sponges, and I'm going to go ahead and get the excess mask off of my skin. Oh my god, my skin looks so good, you guys. And as you can see, I'm still steaming my face. And if you guys are wondering the background, of course, I'm at my beauty bar located in San Bernardino. And also, I'm going to make sure my lashes are nice and clean through the whole process. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my enzyme mask only because I figure, hey, why not? I'm giving myself a facial, I might as well go all out. And this enzyme mask by Image is awesome. It has vitamin C and it is really good for brightening skin tone. I'm gonna apply this in a circular motion with the steam, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Look at the steam coming off the towel. That's how hot that towel is. Oh my god, it feels so good. So I'm going ahead and rubbing off that product. I did keep it on my face for about 20 minutes. I'm telling you guys, after this enzyme mask plus the 24 karat K, your skin is going to feel like butter.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
Okay, next I decided to go ahead and clean up any unwanted hair around my eyebrows. Yes, my eyebrows are micro braided, so it makes it easy just to go on with my electric eyebrow shaver and get cleaned up. So that's what I'm doing now.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
Next, I'm going to go back in with more toner. This toner is like my best friend, and this is also the same toner that I use on my clients, and we all love it. Okay, so now it's time to apply some creams, moisturizers, serums, and here we go. The first one I'm starting off with is a facial serum, all in one. So I'm gonna take a whole drop and apply it to my face.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you. Boy,
second serum I'm going to be using is a double serum, double effect, and it goes on so smoothly. I got this serum at, where did I get this serum, you guys? I got this serum at TJ Maxx.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
Okay, the next serum that I'm going in with is for oily skin. This product is by JaniqueJanee Cosmetics. I'm going to do 2 pumps because I already told you guys my skin is super oily, and this serum goes on super good and it smells like oranges. So I'm just going to glide that over my face to help control the oil in my skin.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and add some sunscreen. We never want to do a facial and not finish it up with any sunscreen. As a matter of fact, every time you wake up after you wash your face, you should be applying sunscreen. Okay, next we can never forget to add a little hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is really good, and it plumps out those fine lines, and I also like to put some on my lips. Okay, we definitely can't forget our under eye cream. I'm going to be using this one, and I picked this product up at TJ Maxx. Okay guys, and I can never forget to add my JaniqueJanee Cosmetics lip mask to my face. Can never go without it.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you. I've been responsible. Boy, I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just living right. Isn't my goal to your goal? Sometimes I kinda get it. Right now I'm not enough. Say yes to say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me if that's alright. Say yes to
Okay, you guys, so this is the final product. I put a lot of much needed oils back into my skin because when I went to Vegas, I had got bit right there. So I cleaned that up. I cleaned my eyebrows up. I put sunscreen on. You guys seen what I did. Now my face feels much better. Oh my God, it looks so good. My skin feels so much better. I'm working on, that's why I put a lot of eye cream, because I'm working on trying to get rid of some of the dark spots, dark circles under my eyes. So yeah, so that's what my facial's looking like, brand new. Y'all can see, fully moisturized. And yeah. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching my video. As you guys can see, I am at my beauty bar. I was working from the other side, had to make it convenient. So, and then my phone, my camera died, so I'm recording on my phone. But anyways, you guys, I just wanted to show you guys one of my facials, my new and improved skincare. So yes, that's what it's looking like.